Hello everybody, and welcome back to Tiny Sailor's World. Today, we'll be sailing a trio of ships. I have not sailed in a very long time. Last time I sailed these ships were like 2024. So, yeah, let's get into the video. And the first vessel we'll be sailing today is the classic Cunard liner RMS Lusitania. We all know the Lusitania. Launched in 1907, sank in 1915 due to a U-boat, and we have just collided with the Oceanic. Well, anyways, start up our engines, and where should we sail today? Let's do a nice voyage from Southampton to Halifax. If we press skin, if you play on mobile, and if we press skins, oh, here's the second livery, the World War I livery, where the funnels were painted black and has this yellow sheer stripe. But, so yeah. But we'll be sailing in the Cunard line colors because, yeah, makes more sense to sail a passenger vessel than a troop ship vessel. But I think this model of the Lusitania is like 1913, so after Titanic sunk, so that's why there's a lot of lifeboats on the deck. But, yeah. Traveling at a top speed of 24 knots, so... yeah. I think the real ship could go faster than that, but... don't know. Haven't docked up on my Lusitania history right now, because... I've been focusing more on planes than ocean liners, but... I'll be making some more ocean liner content soon. But, yeah, but just look at that shot right there. That's just a cool camera shot right there. But yeah, moon sets in the background as the RMS Lusitania makes her way to Halifax. We can just see the moon setting right there, and the sun will rise soon. As we pass, I think the entry gate over there is for Southampton, but I'm not totally sure. But yeah, this game has got an update with a new battleship, new submarine, and a new plane. I already made a video on it, so make sure to go check that out. That's just a beautiful shot right there. You got the Lusitania sailing with a nice sunrise. So yeah. Interestingly, on the peacetime skin version of the Lusitania, Mauritania also has this, but there's a yellow stripe here at the stern. I don't know if the real ship had this with her red funnels. I thought it was just a completely black stern, but apparently she had this yellow like stern. 2 yellow stripes on the stern here. Let me know if they were added on the red funnel variant, or that's just like a World War I thing, where her funnels were fully black. But yeah, I also added the ropes too. make this a little more realistic. But, yeah. Lusitania departs at Southampton like at 2 in the morning. Now it's 7 in the morning. So, yeah. We'll eventually be at our destination. Then, just like traditional Tiny Sailor's World videos, we sail the ship out and we sink it. And, of course, when we will sail out to sink the Lusitania here, of course we'll be doing an accurate sinking. Oh. Think that's the Victory right there. Classic cargo ship right there. Well, the cargo ship that passed us could have been the Victory or the Liberty. One of the two cargo ships. But, as you can see, there's Halifax right there in the distance. Oh god, we're at... Oh, never mind. I was just about to say we were at 6 fill in the blank because... we were on 67% fuel. But once we reach the port, we'll drop off our passengers and refuel. There we go. Dropped off our passengers and we have refueled. Time for the sinking. Of course, we gotta switch to our World War I livery with our fully black funnels. This is the time when she sank in 1915. So, yeah, we'll just sail the ship out a bit. Well, actually, let's keep the ship moving, actually. Now we just press sync and do sync by simulation. We have the ship still moving. And U-20 moving alongside us. We're not gonna get hit by that torpedo. Oh no, we're approaching an ice field. Lusitania never approached an ice field. Okay, I'm giving U-20 a chance. I'm giving U-20 a chance here. Oh, I think the torpedo must have hit because oh yeah, Lusitania. I did not even realize we were going down. But yeah, Lusitania is going down by the bow. I just didn't even see the torpedo explosion, so I thought, how did U-20 not hit us? But I was wrong. The British liner Lusitania is sinking once again. Oh. Okay, we're back with the Lusitania. Step 1. Change it to the World War I livery. Step 2. Sink by simulation. And step 3. Torpedo strike. And step 4. Let the vessel sink. Did I not click it? Oh, never mind, I did click it. You just saw the torpedo explosion right there, folks. Lusitania, once again, will sink. Because our, disconnection. I thought the bridge of the Lusitania was, painted yellow on the 1915 version. Guess I was wrong. But yeah, once again, Lusitania is now sinking. Definitely giving me Britannic vibe. vibes by how she's going down by the bow with the list. Funnily, how Cunard Line lost the ship in 1915, and then 1 year later, White Star Line lost the ship in 1916, aka Lusitania with 1915 and Britannic 1916. Lifeboats are launching successfully, unlike real life. Oh, I forgot to turn funnel collapse, so guess we're letting the funnels collapse with the Lusitania here. Oh, and one funnel remains on the Lusitania. Unlike the Olympic class, the fourth funnel on Lusitania, Mauretania, and Aquitania were all real. Why are the lights turning on? It's daytime. That's just a waste of electricity. Anyways, oh, we're going fully vertical like we're going fully vertical like Titanic with the James Cameron film. And the second class area just about to go underwater. And then all that will remain is the rest of the deck on the stern and the fantail, along with that British flag. There goes the stern, and there goes the British flag. Alright, let's go see the wreck. I believe the wreck would be discovered in 1935. Like I said, I don't totally remember with my Lusitania history. But if I'm wrong, please feel free to leave a comment down below. Wow, we did not even get a chance to see the wreck. What the flip? Alright, well. We cannot move on to the next ship until we see the wreck of Lusitania. So, I'll see you after the sinking is done. Well, there's a tornado here in Halifax. Definitely inaccurate with, Lusitania sinking, as we can see. Going fully vertical once again. And now is going down. Oh, no, I don't want to go down with the ship. And I'm getting pushed by a lifeboat. Oh, going down a little fast there. And there goes the British flag once again. Okay, well, let's see the wreck this time. Alright, there we go. And there is the wreck of the RMS Lusitania. On her side, just like in real life. Well, not really fully on her side. She's still a little lifted up, but yeah. Anyways, moving on to the next Cunard liner. Yes, all three of these ships are Cunard liners. And here is our next ship. The beautiful RMS Mauretania. Not to be confused with the country Mauretania. I'm talking about the ship Mauretania. The way how the country Mauretania and the ship Mauretania are spelled different. The ship Mauretania is spelled with an E beside the R and the T. But, anyways. So, Mauretania is pretty much just Lusitania, just with a few differences. one of those differences you can clearly see is Mauritania has a lot of vents on the ship, while Lusitania has a nice clean boat deck. So yeah, let's get ready to depart Halifax, and we'll head to New York. Oh, I was trying to turn so we can go for that, low area, but couldn't turn in time. Now, the ship does have another livery, that livery being the HMHS Mauritania, when she was turned into a hospital ship with, Britannic and Aquitania. But she was also turned into a troop ship in dazzled paint scheme like Olympic and Aquitania. But the only skin we have for the Mauritania is the hospital version. Unless if you go to ship options and press skin 1, skin 2, or skin 3, then you'll get a dazzle paint scheme Mauritania, sorry. Getting my Mauritania and Aquitania mixed up. Even though the Aquitania is part of the Lusitania Mauritania class, Aquitania's superstructure is a little different. Instead of being curved, instead of the forward superstructure being curved like Lusitania and Mauritania, it's flat like the Olympic class liners. And yeah, just completely different superstructure design compared to Lusitania and Mauritania. And the first class area and the second class area, they're actually connected together with a low piece of superstructure. Just like Lusitania, the ship also has a top speed of 24 knots. For some reason, Mauritania and Aquitania never got fully black funnels like Lusitania, which is a bit strange to me. It's similar to how Olympic got the black funnels like Lusitania and got dazzle paint scheme like Mauritania and Aquitania, but the RMS Olympic never became a hospital ship. So, Olympic skipped hospital ship service, and Aquitania and Mauritania skipped fully black funneled service in World War I. But please let me know why Mauritania and Aquitania never got fully black funnels like Lusitania. But you can always make a what if in Tiny Sailor's World by painting the Mauritania and Aquitania's funnels black. That's only if you do have the ship options, though. But yeah, Mauritania and Lusitania, not the fastest ships in this game, but probably the fastest 4 funneled ships in this game. Oh, that's interesting. An oil rig that is not on fire. That's strange. I usually see oil rigs on fire all the time in this game. Guess the oil rigs are just lucky today. But yeah, definitely similar hull shape with Lusitania. Mauritania does. Well, that makes sense. Lusitania and Mauritania are sister ships. Sister ships are probably always going to have the same hull design. When I mean hull, I mean both the anti-fouling, which is the lower red hull, and the upper hull, which is the black hull. It's always been interesting to me how, Cunard Line always added, these little V thingies, like a little bit of hull, like this little V thing. Like most of the early Cunard liners have it. I mean, like Campania has it, Carpathia has it, Lusitania, Mauritania has it, Queen Mary has it. I think Queen Elizabeth has it. But with the later Cunard line vessels, like RMS Queen Elizabeth II, or the more recent Queen Mary II, Cunard line just stopped adding those V thingies. Oh yeah, speaking of Queen Mary II, the real life Queen Mary II actually visited the Queen Mary in Long Beach, and the Titanic has just passed the Mauritania. Of course, that would never happen in real life because, well, Titanic wasn't around during Mauritania and Lusitania time. And when Titanic was around in Lusitania and Mauritania time during 1912, well, Lusitania and Mauritania would never even meet Titanic. The only Cunard line ship to meet Titanic, well, not really meet Titanic, but sort of meet Titanic, would be the Carpathia. And fun fact about Mauritania, this ship right here, is after Titanic sank, they actually put the same amount of damage that Titanic got from the iceberg to the Mauritania to see how Mauritania would have handled in the iceberg situation. And I think the Mauritania just listed, tilted a little bit. So, if Mauritania did hit the iceberg instead of Titanic, she probably would have survived and just listed. But, anyways, we're approaching New York, the destination Titanic never made it to. And just emerging out of the fog, we got New York. Our 2,165 passengers are now about to be dropped off into New York. All of our 2,165 passengers are Canadian because we were in Halifax when we departed. And there goes our passengers and cargo. We've been refueled. And yeah. Oh. We have just crashed into the invisible Poseidon. There's the Poseidon, which was used in the 2006 movie. And Poseidon was also based off of Queen Mary II. Of course, they never used the real Queen Mary II in the movie. Otherwise, well, Queen Mary II would not be here in real life today. Well, we're outside of New York now, and we did our voyage, so now it's time to sink the vessel. Sinking I have not done in a while, and that would actually be sink by mine. Oh, Britannic style. We're going down by the... Oh, it's Britannic style. We're going down by the bow. The Mauritania has struck mine and is now going down. She is sinking similarly to the Lusitania. Oh yeah, I set the sinking setting too fast, so that's why Mauritania's going down super quick. Oh, because of the shallow water, she has hit bottom. There she is, on her side, just like the Lusitania wreck. Surprisingly, because she did not have enough time, her mast did not rip off. So, her mast is still together with her strings. Well, moving on to our final Cunard liner. And here we are with the final ship. The beautiful RMS Aquitania. Of course, we can't see her right now because it's dark and there's a thunderstorm going off. right now. So, yeah. But, see what I mean? Even though Aquatania is part of the Lusitania and Mauritania class, her black hull does not even dip down like Lusitania and Mauritania until, like, the second class area, which is very interesting to me. And her superstructure, also different. It's just that flat superstructure, like, Olympic class, half open, half closed, and half open promenade. But she still has those 4 iconic Cunard line funnels, and she was the last 4-funnel ocean liner in existence after every other 4-funnel ocean liner either sank or was scrapped. And she was the only early 1900 ocean liner to make it to the 50s, I think. And the only early ship from the 1900s to make it to World War II. That was a mistake to turn off the lights. Oh. Well, looks like a ship is on fire. Don't worry. The Aquatania is here to save you. What ship is it? Oh, it's the Olympic. The Aquatania is rescuing the Olympic. Now we're going to have more passengers on board a ship. Oh. So, just rescuing all his passengers as the Olympic slowly but surely goes down. And because we'll probably get disconnected on our voyages, well, let's sink by fire. It only makes sense to sink by fire, because we got the Olympic going down by fire. Oh my god, I think Olympic just broke in half. The Olympic sunk by fire and just also broke in half. Is there even a sinking option to sink by fire and break in half? But that's just a sight to see. The Aquatania on fire while a thunderstorm is going off. I think she's either going down level or going down by the stern. It looks like she's going down level. Yeah, definitely going down by the stern, too. But, yeah. And the stern of the Olympic is just heading to the bottom. POV if Olympic sank like Titanic plus was on fire. Meanwhile, we got this Cunard liner right here, the Aquatania, on fire while sinking. Thunderstorm's over, and it's slowly about to be daytime soon. Well, the water's putting the fire out, so that's good. POV for Aquatania caught fire instead of the Normandy. But if that actually happened, of course the Aquatania would be in a World War II livery, aka the fully gray livery. It's interesting to note to me how ocean liners in World War I had black funnels, dazzle paint scheme, and were hospital ships, while ocean liners in World War II were just fully gray. Oh, power is struggling, and the last bit of fire is on the bow. Probably the deck will be burnt to a crisp right now. How is the ship on fire underwater? That makes no sense. Yeah, that guy has not responded to his ship yet, so Olympic's still down there. Well, soon enough, we're about to have 2 shipwrecks, the Aquitania and the Olympic. So, this was also a what-if video, because what if Mauritania and Aquitania sank, which I also made that video at the beginning of 2026, back in January. Oh my god! Oh my god, the Aquitania just snapped in half! Did the Sink by Fire, get an update where ships now split in half? Is that like a new update? Hold on. I need to check the update log. New game icon, new vehicles, engine overheat feature, oil rigs, random oil spills, increased fuel for all ships, bugs fixed. Nothing saying about Sank by Fire making ships split in half. I guess that's like a feature I never knew. Oh my god, that's just an eerie sight. Just the Aquitania's bow on fire while the ship's going down. How's the bow not? How's the water not? Oh, never mind. The fire is now put out, and the rest of the Aquitania's bow will just slowly sink. As an AI ship is in the distance over there, not bothering to help, while we just have both lifeboats from the Aquitania and the Olympic just scattering around everywhere. Oh. Looks like the guy either left or respawned his ship. But, yeah, there's the wreck of the Aquitania. And all the lifeboats just swarming around. Well, anyways, guys, that was me checking out the Lusitania class in Tiny South World. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next Roblox or If Planes Could Talk or Dandy's World video. Bye.